I'm just so cold right now that I have a blanket because I'm not wearing pants. Damn. I'm eating healthy food. Hello everyone and welcome back to my life without pants. I literally feel like shit today. My throat hurts so much from all the dick. No, just kidding. Oh my god. So what I want to do today is, you can read it in the title, I want to try out ASOS makeup. I'm just an ASOS addict. Like, I order all the time of ASOS, and recently I saw that they actually have a makeup brand called ASOS Makeup, I think. Yeah, it's called ASOS, I don't know. It looks like this. It has this pastel pink packaging with that eye on there and nose. They don't have like everything, like they don't have foundation, they don't have concealer. So I can't do like a full face using only ASOS makeup, but I ordered basically everything there was. I want to try it out. I'm just really curious if that makeup is gonna be good. Like, I haven't even seen like any reviews, haven't even seen people use this makeup, so I'm like, but I want to have my own opinion on this, so let's just try it out. Oh, and this video is not sponsored by ASOS. I ordered everything myself, I paid everything myself, and I'm not paid to say anything, so just to let you know. First off, I already applied my foundation and I did my eyebrows because, as I said, there's no eyebrow products or foundation or concealer. I'm just gonna apply like my Tarte Shape Tape first. I didn't want to apply it before the video because I didn't want to get creases and stuff, so I'm just gonna apply these. So now that I applied my concealer, I'm just gonna go in with the translucent pressed powder by ASOS. I accidentally ordered it twice. So this powder is white. I mean, it's translucent, but it looks white. And I'm gonna set my under eye with this. I'm also setting my eyelids with this. Right off the bat, it looks like powder. So I'm just gonna powder my whole face. I feel like I look a little bit cakey now on my nose, and my eyes look a little weird. So I'm not sure about this powder, but maybe I'm just imagining things right now. Okay, let's dive into the eyeshadow. I ordered 2 eyeshadow palettes. They are tiny. I thought that would be a little bigger. So this one is called Current Mood and this one is called Devoted. They do look very similar. I mean, there's like a blue shade in there. These are just neutrals, but these are neutrals as well, except the blue. I don't know why I ordered palettes that look so similar. They don't have like super bright colors. I remember that. They do only have like very neutral tones, I think, so. So I'm gonna go in with the palette Devoted first, and I'm just gonna go in with this shade right here. And I'm gonna apply it to my crease. I mean, there is definitely pigment there. Let's just intensify it a little bit more. I'm not mad at this shade. I mean, it's there. It's not like there's super heavy fallout. I mean, I don't even have fallout right now, so. LeBron James. But now I don't know what to do. Like, I really want to have like a warm, orangey eye look. But I'm left with only cool tone colors now. I don't know what to do. So I guess I'm gonna go in with this shade right next to the one I just used. Oh. Okay. Okay, like this part is a little weird now. Like right here on my lid, there's like a kind of blank spot where there's like eyeshadow missing. You can really see this. I don't know if you can, but I can. I don't know what to do with the spot on my eyelid there. I mean, like, I packed on like a lot of the eyeshadow to get rid of it, but it just seems like it doesn't want to take the product anymore. I don't know. Maybe I'm just gonna go in with the black right here out of the other palette and see what happens. Well, that's not really black. That's definitely not black. Like, it's like a gray kind of shade, but it's not black. Let's try to fix this situation here. I just don't like where this is going right now. This gray shade is blending out really weird. And it seems like the more eyeshadow I add, the weirder it looks. Let's try to save this with like a half cut crease, which I'm obsessed doing at the moment. I think I'm just gonna go with like this matte light shade. Okay, so I do have two glitter eyeliners, one super golden one and a dark blue glitter eyeliner. And I really want to use this pot of glitter, which is like a blue, purple, white kind of glitter. And like this just doesn't go together. So maybe I'll just use like the blue glitter eyeliner as my actual eyeliner. Okay. The brush of the eyeliner is so freaking soft that I can't even feel it on my eye. Is it touching my eyelid? I don't know, I can't feel it. Okay, I'm quite impressed with this one. I'm just gonna wait for it to dry because I don't want it to transfer to my lid, but so far this is probably the best thing I tried yet. Okay, now that it's dry, it's not so nice anymore. I really feel this eyeliner on my lip. It's like, feels like very tight and like it's pulling my skin, and it doesn't look glittery anymore. It's just like a dark blue crusty eyeliner, but it did apply very easily. That's a good thing. This eyeliner did not end up being cute. It takes forever to dry. Okay, let's just pretend this eyeliner is dry now. Let's carry on with the glitter. Where is it? So this is the glitter in the shade Eloquent. Eloquent? Eloquent. 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 I'm just gonna apply the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in Distortion to my lid as a glitter base because I can't find my glitter glue right now, so this has to do it. Oh, I think there's like a glitter base like right here. What? I didn't know. Wait, I gotta be quick now. I don't want it to dry. Oh. So let me just explain what happened here. So this little glitter pot from ASOS does have a glitter primer like in their cap basically, which you just like open and then you can apply this first and then the glitter afterwards, but I didn't know. And also it was a little bit dumb to apply a glitter base which actually already has glitter in it because now I can't really review the glitter. I thought this would fit perfectly, but this is like a green glitter shimmer and this is blue, so I kind of have like a mixture of both now on my lid. But I gotta say, it's kind of a cool mixture. Like it really looks interesting together, so why the hell not? Damn. Let me just apply a little bit of these two shades on my lower lash line. You can see all the wrinkles in my eyes under this eyeliner. They also have a mascara, which looks like this. I also don't know if this is waterproof because it literally doesn't say anything on the bottle, so... Oh. The mascara is not that bad. It's just a little hard to apply it with this applicator because it's very huge. See, that's what I meant. I'm getting like all of the mascara on my lower lash line. Okay, let me just apply some lashes and then I'll be back. Okay, me is back with some lashes on. And let's carry on with the rest of the face. They did have a bronzer, so... Ow! My finger just got stuck like right here when I open it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
So this bronzer looks like it's shimmery. Okay, I see you. I think that's not bad. I also bought some blush and I think this one looks stunning. Like this is a really pretty shade. Acceptance, it's called. And I'm just gonna go in with the same brush because I'm lazy. Oh, it's there. I only have like a highlighter stick and it looks very cool actually, like a little glazed ball. Let's just swatch it on my hand. Can you see this? Maybe I can just... You can't see a lot. You can't see anything. I'm just gonna apply some of my Ofra Cosmetics Nikki Tutorials highlighter because that shit is on a whole nother level. Okay, let's do our lips. They do have a couple of lip products like lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, and lip liners, and I'm gonna go in with the lip pencil in the shade Sorted. I think it's called Sorted, but I don't know. Oh, huh? Huh? You can't tell me these colors are the same. This is like way more brown than this looks. This looks like a pinky dusty mauve, and this is brown. Okay. I mean, it does apply really nicely though. I mean, it's not a bad color, it just doesn't look like the color right here. And I thought these two would be like the perfect match together. Now, I don't know. This is the liquid lipstick in the shade Overqualified. What is this shade? This is like a coral pinky shade. I really hope this is not gonna be too dry. I think I might have to apply a gloss after this because this is a little too dry for my preferences. Okay, you guys, I guess we're done. Let's do my final thoughts. I just made myself some hot tea so I can spill it. Okay, let's start from the beginning. The powder. I gotta say that my nose looks cakey and it's basically already oily again. I think it's been like 45 minutes since I applied that powder and my nose is already oily. The eyeshadow palettes were not my cup of tea. The first shade I applied was kind of beautiful and it blended out nicely, but then when I added more layers of the other eyeshadows, it got more like chalky and didn't blend out nicely, and I still have this spot on my eyelid which didn't want to take any product. But if you just want to do like a super light eye makeup look for the everyday wear, then those palettes might be okay, but not if you want to go like more dramatic and like deeper, and you know what I mean. The eyeliner, no bitch. It still feels super weird on my eyes and I would not really recommend it because it just doesn't feel nice on the eyes. It did apply okay and at first I was like, oh, but when it dried down it just felt crusty and not nice on the eyes. One product I really liked was the glitter on my eyes. It looks super nice and it's a really cool shade, like the blue undertone. The only thing I'm not sure about is like this glitter primer, like at the... I can't even open it. I can't open it. I think it's a nice idea to have it like right at the top, but well, I saw it after I applied the glitter primer, so... And those two face products I applied afterwards, they were actually pretty good. Like that bronzer was amazing, the blush was very pigmented. I really like those two. The cream highlighter stick, which I don't even know where it is right now. I don't know what to do with it. It's not my thing. I don't know. This is just something which you apply if you just wear like a super soft base and didn't powder it, and I have to sneeze. The lip products, they don't look like the colors on the packaging. Like this is a dusty dark rose color and it basically is like a brown shade, like a light brown shade. I don't know what's going on here, but okay. This applied very nicely though, and the liquid lipstick, it feels very dry. Okay, you guys, that was it for this review. I hope you liked it. I'm gonna have to go now. I'm gonna have to cut this short. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on Instagram, Naomijon Snap on Snapchat, and the Naomijon on Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, it's cold now. Bye!